Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techstar, and the topic of today's video is how to fix Android apps/games which is crashing on your Android device. So this video was especially made for this person here. As you can see this comment, actually I know, yeah, it's been a year, but I was a little busy. Now I got the time, so I'm making this video. So enjoy the video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first you have to find the application which is causing the problem, due to which the problem is occurring. So my application here is Chrome. So this application is crashing. So first what you have to do is you have to go to about info of the application which is causing the problem. Next what you have to do is you have to clear the cache, as you can see here, and then you have to clear the data of the application. Yeah, clear the data, then go back and restart or reboot your device. I hope this helps. If this does not help you, or if this does not work, what you have to do is you have to again go to the app info here. Then what you have to do is you have to force stop the application. After force stopping, go to home and again restart or reboot your device. I hope this helps. If this does not, then what you have to do is you have to go to the Google Play Store and search for the app, and then you have to check if the application has an update or not. If the application has an update, update it, restart your device, it's going to work. If this does not work, what you have to do is you just have to go back. You have to delete, you have to uninstall the application's update. So you don't need to uninstall the application, you just need to uninstall the updates. So just uninstall the updates, and I hope now it's going to work. Just restart your device once, it's going to work. If this does not help, what I would recommend is to uninstall the application from the Play Store and again install. As you can see, this application here is Chrome. This is a system application and this cannot be uninstalled, as you can see. So instead of uninstalling the application, as you can see here, you just you can disable it. If it does not work, what you'll do is you'll go to about info, disable the application. As you can see, it is disabled. Okay, then you have to again restart your device. After restarting your device, enable it, and I hope this works. If this too does not work on your Android device, the last option which you can try, and I think this will definitely work, is to factory reset your device. Yes, factory reset your device. And how to factory reset your device, I'm going to show you here. You just go to settings and scroll down. Actually this varies from companies, from different smartphones it is different. So for some phones, okay, it will be under about phone or in the system, for example. So what you do is you have to, for me it's under system. As you can see here, here is the reset options. As you can see here, this is the factory reset. If you click on it, everything will be factory reset. So one thing which you have to note here is back up your data before resetting your Android device. Yeah, if you reset your Android device, all the data, all the applications, all the photos, all the images which is stored on your phone will be deleted. Yeah, so back up your device before factory resetting. I hope this works on your Android device. And if the application still does not work, another thing which you can do is either to download a modded application of that app. What you can do is you can just go to Google Play Store, not Google Play Store, sorry, you can just go to Google, and here I'm using Google Go. You can just search whatever application is there. For example, Chrome is my application. Just search Chrome, then type mod APK. Yeah, so you just have to type mod APK, and here many apps are there, for example here. So download the mod APK, and I hope it will work. It will work according to your device. So this was it, and if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Techstar.